Good morning. My name is Al Agnew. I'm a member of Rolling Thunder Chapter 3 here at the beach, and I'm originally a South Carolinian. I spent 25 years in the Navy and spent a very short period at the end of the Vietnam War as a guest of the North Vietnamese and as a prisoner of war. Very short time, 28th of December 1972 to March of 73. So this chair means a lot to me personally because I've got a lot of friends that I was in jail with. I've got a lot of friends that are on the wall in DC, and I know of a lot of the others that are MIA now. I was MIA for about a month. My backseater was MIA. He was killed when we got shot down in December of '72, and his remains, his bones, were returned in 1975. So that's my background with this chair, and then I got involved in Rolling Thunder, I don't know, 11 years ago or so, and our chapter has put 11 of these chairs around this part of South Carolina. The first chair was Socastee High School, and that was the first high school in the nation to have a POW-MIA chair. Coastal Carolina University at their baseball field out the first base line has a POW-MIA chair, and that was the first at a college in South Carolina. And the purpose of the chair is to keep alive in people's mind the fact that there are more than 80,000. It depends on what source you use for your number, anywhere from 81 to 83,000 missing Americans from all of our wars. And the goal is to keep this alive until we've accounted for everyone we possibly can, hopefully everyone. This chair is an educational device. The idea is to keep this issue alive, but to do it through education. We also do it through presentation of POW-MIA flags when organizations ask us to do it. And we've done, I don't know how many of those we've done since I've been in Rolling Thunder.